Borders and shading can be used to create attention or add beauty to a paragraph. Paragraph shading is used to add color to a selected paragraph as shown here. Paragraph borders are used to add demarcating boxes to a paragraph. You can use either or both to create an outstanding document. In this last section, you will learn how to add borders and shading to paragraphs of a Word document. Shading are colors applied to a paragraph or selected paragraphs. Let us illustrate how to add shading to your paragraph. Select the paragraph or group of paragraphs you want to apply formatting on. On the Home tab under Paragraph Group, select Shading drop-down arrow. From the color palettes that appear, choose a color of your choice. Shading will be automatically applied to the selected paragraph or group of paragraphs. However, you can select the More Colors option to choose from standard color or mix a custom color. When you are done applying your shading, you can remove shading on selected paragraphs by doing the following. On the shading drop-down list, select No Color. The shading present in the selected paragraph or group of paragraphs will automatically disappear. If you choose to add paragraph border instead of shading, then follow these steps. Select the paragraph or group of paragraphs you want to apply paragraph borders to. On the Home tab, under Paragraph Group, select the Borders drop-down arrow. From the Borders drop-down list, choose a border of your choice. You can select Top Border only to add top border to a paragraph. Also, you can choose Bottom Border to add bottom border. Similarly, you can select any of left, right, all borders, etc. Each one selected will be applied to the paragraph or the selected paragraphs automatically. To customize your borders, select the Borders and Shading option on the list. On the dialog box that appears, choose a line style, a line color, and line width. Then select the position on the paragraph to apply borders on. When you are done, click the OK button to automatically apply the border you chose. To remove borders from selected paragraphs from the list of borders, select the No Border option. Applied borders on the selected paragraphs will be automatically removed. In conclusion, paragraph formatting makes your document look elegant and presentable to your audience. It also makes your document readable. Microsoft Word provides commands that help you to format your paragraphs when creating a document. You learned how to use these commands in the different sections of this tutorial. While these commands can help make your documents readable, borders and shading can add beauty to them. I believe that this tutorial has helped you gain mastery at customizing paragraphs in Microsoft Word. Before you go, don't forget to ask your questions using any of the available options. Thank you for being part of this tutorial. You can continue your Word Mastery course with the next tutorial on creating and formatting tables. Before then, take a minute to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this tutorial. Thank you once again.